What's up guys, EVP back with another video, and today we're going to do another cheap mod on the Surron. This time, instead of cosmetics like last video, we will be doing a power upgrade. And what's the cheapest power upgrade from Amazon? Let's open it up. So here we have a 58 tooth sprocket and a new chain, and obviously you know we had to go with a gold sprocket. The theme's black and gold. This sprocket is huge and it's still pretty light. If you compare it to the stock sprocket, the size difference is kind of crazy. Now I know there's already how-to videos on how to do this on YouTube already, but that's not gonna stop me from making my own video. So let's get started. With the larger sprocket, I'm expecting to get a lot more torque and be able to do wheelies easier. We're going to lose a little bit of top speed, but that's okay because I have another cheap upgrade for this bike. Now that we have the rear wheel off, I'm going to take off the old sprocket. You can see the difference. Off, we're gonna put on the new one. And just like that, the new sprocket is on. But now we have to find the master link on this chain and pop it off. Now the stock chain is an O-ring chain, so you want to make sure you keep all these little O-rings. So now I got the new chain set up. You're gonna go over this little part on the swing arm. Now I got the rear wheel on the Surron, how to make sure you line up the keyway so that you can put the brake caliper back on. So here we have the end of the chain on one side, and then we have all the excess on the other side. You want to line it up right until it's right next to each other, and then you want to mark the chain. You can see I have a little mark. Now we're going to break it. Now that you broke the chain, it should line up perfectly. So now we're going to use one of these, and I just put it through to connect the chain together. We're going to put this top piece on top, then we're going to put the master link. Close it all up. And with all of that, we finally got the new 58 tooth sprocket on with a new chain. The black and gold theme is still coming together. Already barely touching the throttle. That wheel is spinning easy. Oh. Dang. Let's take it for a test drive. After the test drive, I can confirm that this bike now drives awesome and it wheelies great. Way more torque thanks to that new sprocket and looks way better. But now, like I said in the beginning of the video, I said I have another power upgrade for this bike, and here it is. It is a controller. It's a 150 amp far driver controller. I picked it up for only $250, and as you know, in the controllers for these bikes, that is pretty cheap. So I got a good deal on it. And I'm going to probably drop this bike off with LEE rides for them to hook all this up, and we should have way more power. I'm not going to bypass the battery because I think that's a little unsafe. So we won't be making crazy power, but we'll be making some more.